woke up, showered, and now here we are. My name is Alexi Fernandez. I am a runner. I'm trying to walk onto the track team. I day trade, and I go to school at Ohio State. So, a lot of stuff going on, but should be a good day. About to go eat some breakfast before the markets open, and then after that we've got 2 classes. Then I'll get a lift in, then another class, then get the run in, and then that's about it. So should be a good day, but I'm gonna go head to the dining hall and I'll see you guys there.
My bank account is Magnolia Millie rocking, ayy. Widows in my comments talking about some Millie Bobby. Look.
So I just got back from the dining hall, had some eggs, bagel, oatmeal, some good eats. But now, gonna read the Bible. Always do that in the morning. And then maybe get some chemistry done, and then get ready for trading. The footage was probably pretty bad because it was dark, but my roommate wanted to take a nap, so I'm like, all right. But yeah, I didn't end up taking a trade. It was kind of mid today. Called it a day, and yeah. But then we have exercise science class in like 20 minutes. It's like 10:50, and the class is at 11:10. So I'm kind of just walking around killing time until that lecture. But yeah, should be pretty good. Yeah, just finished up exercise science, and now I'm headed to digital media. It's like 12:30, so I'll have that class and then get some lunch. Yo, so I finished digital media, and now I'm just getting some food before I get a lift, and then I've got chemistry after that, and then we'll go run.
Ay, ay. Los pongo a bailar la pelúa. El que no baile que lo despelucan. Hijo de puta no me cuquen. Lean los números pa' que se eduquen. Yo no hago canciones, hago himnos pa' que no caduquen. En este género yo fui un Hadouken. Ey, y se extinguieron como en los dinosaurs. Antes que me apague se apaga el sol. Subimos y rompimos el ascensor. El prepa que le...
Alright, that was looking a really good lift. But yeah, now I have chemistry. I'm looking gonna be like 5 minutes late because like I'm in a rush. But that's okay, I don't really care. But then run after, and hopefully that doesn't feel too bad after hitting legs. But yeah, I'll try and get some footage in chem. But if not, I'll see you after.
Down in Atlanta, stayed at the Centerfold. Downstairs my vintage dope. You should have seen
5 miles. Woo! Hey, I'm building my box of scraps right now.
Yeah, so we just finished running 5 miles, and now we're at Scott's, getting some food. Type. Yo, back from the run, ate at Scott's, then showered, and now I'm just relaxing, getting my Duolingo in. I'm gonna finish that chemistry, pre-lab, post-lab, both of them, and then I'll read a couple more chapters of the Bible and probably call it a night. It's like 9:10. Go to bed early, get a good early start tomorrow, and yeah, should be pretty good.
Son el